Alright, this girl's a complete idiot. So, I have the Vine Boom button. I wanna see how this turns out.
Did you know that there are over 5 languages in this world? We don't need all these languages, people. We don't need no British language or Canadian language or Hawaiian language or Alaskan language. We need just American, okay? Just American language. Nothing more, nothing less, just American. You wanna know why? Because the letters are pretty. They're cute, pretty letters. Like, you can't get letters, like, prettier in the world, okay? Also, like, with the, what is it, sans serif and, there's just a lot of fonts. You can't get that with no Canadian language with the little ching chang chongs. No, you can't. So, as the president of the world, kid president of the world, and the queen of everything, I am now going to officially cut the dookie with the other languages. We don't need them. You want to know what I found out? Most of England speaks Americanish, but they just have an accent. Americans, we don't have any accents because we are the future of the world. But I'm just saying. They speak it. They speak it. So should you. So if you can't understand this video, you need to learn Americanish. You need